I'm in the process of making some banana skin fertilizer. The reason being that it is naturally high in phosphorus and potassium, but very, very low in nitrogen. So the simple thing is just to pull the peels out of your compost, like I did on a couple of them here, and just lay them out flat and let the sun do the baking. We're going to dehydrate and get as much of the water out as possible. We'll see how much I can get out today. I started this about 10 o'clock. This is in middle of February, so we'll see how much the heat of the sun will be able to do the job. And then we'll come back and do the next steps. This might take 2 days to do the drying out for this one, and I'll include you with all that information and how we get to the point of actually using it as a fertilizer into the ground. Okay, it's now 4 o'clock and the sun is down. There's clouds, and it looks like we're not going to have any sun tomorrow. There's going to be some rain. So I will go ahead and put these in a dehydrator and we'll get an idea how long that will take. But you can see that they're probably about halfway done, just being out in the sun for the period of time they were. And if I would have started earlier, or if the sun stayed out later, we may have been able to do it completely in either 1 or 2 days of sun. But we're not going to be able to do that, and I don't want to wait till after the weekend to see what the sun will do first. So we'll try the dehydrator and take it from there. Okay, we're done now. You can tell you're done when the banana peels are nice and crunchy. Can you hear that? The ends right here might not be so dry. Just cut those off and put them in your compost bin. But these are obviously nice and just crispy. Now there's a couple ways in which you can process to the next stage, and that is using our handy dandy mortar and pestle, and do that and just keep on grinding around that. Or, since I don't have an abundance of energy, I like using a coffee grinder. Let's see if I can get in here. And just put the pieces in here and such. Yeah, let's have a little bit more. Okay. Really get a fine dust like this, and this increases the surface area and absorbed into your soil. Again, the reason why we're doing this is to get the potassium and phosphorus into the soil, which is really good for the blooming and the fruit. So just mix this in with your soil and free fertilizer. Any questions? Go ahead and put it in the comments below. Please remember to subscribe and share this video to help disabled animals with donated wheelchairs.